Hey guys, we're live at 10:01 p.m. As you can see here, running a pretty sweet Applehead Yoda. I'm gonna scale up here so we can take a look at him one last time. There he is. He's a sweet treat. Somebody's gonna be getting him soon in the mail. 20 spots, as you can see here. Copy the list over. Gonna roll the dice to see how many rounds. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 6, so we're rolling. Good luck, guys. Getting down to business. Good luck. Wolfgang takes round 1 with number 14. Josh round 2. Master Yoda Mike takes round 3. Jimbo Jonesy, who is Spencer Myers, I believe, takes round 4. Nate takes round 5, our next to last round, with number 15, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Jason Lee Hasselin at number 16. Congrats, Jason. Here's the verification code. AKWSIS. Jason in at number 16 is the victor. I am done at 10:02. As seen here and here. One last time. Here's the results. Jason in at number 16 is the winner. Thanks, guys. See you next time.